Rakuten Affiliate Marketing Tutorial 2021. So simply come over to Rakuten.com, and once you're over here, the website will look something like this. Now, before we move on, let me just tell you a little bit about Rakuten. So Rakuten is basically a browser extension in which you can, once you've added it to your browser, you will be able to get cash back from different stores that are affiliated with them. So basically, as we can see over here, stores pay us, so we pay you. So basically, stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you their way, and Rakuten shares the commission with you as cash back through PayPal or check. So how it works is basically you install the cashback button and sign up on an account. Just shop as usual on desktop, let the button do all the deal findings for you, and just watch your cash grow, and then just get paid via check or email. And that is basically it. So basically what that means is that, as we can see over here at the top, we have different stores that are affiliated with Rakuten. So we have Target, we have Walmart, we have Kohl's, we have Macy's, we have Nike, we have PetSmart, we have Old Navy, we have all these different stores that are affiliated with Rakuten. And if you have Rakuten installed on your browser, whenever you buy something from these stores, they will give you a small percentage of commission. So different stores have different commission. So Walmart has, I think, about 6% commission, and many more. So as you can see over here, we have plus 6% commission back over here on Nike.com. So basically almost all the websites will pay you 6% cashback app if you use Rakuten. So let me just go ahead and show you how it's basically done. So all you have to do is simply sign up onto their website. So first, all you have to do is simply sign up. So click on the sign in button at the top, and over here, if you're not a member, simply click on join now, so that you don't have to enter in all the details manually. You can just simply sign in onto a website with the click of a button. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And also, as you can see over here, join Rakuten today and get a 10% cashback bonus. So basically, just for signing up onto Rakuten, they will pay you $10. So let me just go ahead and sign up. Click on continue with Google. And once you've signed up, this is how the website will look like. And at once they will ask you to add Rakuten to Chrome. So simply click on add to Chrome. It will take you to the Chrome web store. And then over here, you just simply have to click on add to Chrome, and then just simply click on add extension, and it's downloading and it's installed. That's basically it. Now over here, as we can see, installation is complete. Now we can start shopping at our stores and check out these double cashback deals as well. So if we buy anything from Advanced Auto Parts, we will get a 4% cashback. It was 2%, but now it is 4% because we just signed up. For Fishline, it was 3% cashback, but it is now 10%. And Groupon, it was 4%, now it's 8%, almost double. And over here on AT&T, it was $75, now it is up to $150. So that is how you basically earn money. So as I said, it is very easy. So this is the first method on how you can earn money. I will basically be telling you two ways on how you can earn money. So let me just clear the first one up. Come back to their website, and over here we can see that we have 8% cashbacks on a lot of these stores. We have 10% cashback on Levi, on Blue Mercy, and we have 8% cashback on Under Armour, on Groupon, and Nike as well. So we just have to buy these products, and then we will get a simple cashback. But we have to understand something. When we buy something, they are going to give us 4%. We will not be earning as much money as we can, and we'll practically be spending more money than we are earning. But I have a quick fix for that. What I want you guys to do is come over to Amazon or eBay, and over here, what I want you guys to do is just simply post an ad about the same product that you are going to be buying on Walmart or Nike or any other store. Find a product that is whose price is lower on the official store, and then just simply upsell it on Amazon or eBay. So for example, if this drive is $59 over here, find the same product on Walmart and see how much that is compared it, and upsell it on Amazon. So post an ad about the same product for $65 or even $70, I guarantee you someone will buy it. Even if you are selling it for more price, someone will buy it. And when that person buys this product, you will then just simply enter in all the address details that that person has provided, and then just simply sell the product from Walmart, and Walmart will deliver that product to them. He will get his product, you will get your money back with a profit from that sale, and you will also be getting a 8% cash back from Walmart. So you will be making double profits. So this is the first method that I wanted to show you guys. Now I know it is a little bit confusing, but stay with me here, stay focused, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and I will be sure to get back to them. But let me just repeat the process in a simpler manner so that you guys can understand. Find a product that is very popular and that is selling like hotcakes on Amazon. Find that same product on Walmart, and then make an ad about that product and upscale the price. For example, like take this remote for example. So let's just say that it is going over for 28. Find the same one over here. Try to find it for less price. Let's just say that you find it for $25, and then you sell that same product over at $30. And when someone wants to buy that from you, they will give you their address details and a card details and all the other details that you need. Then you just simply add those details onto the Walmart, on the Walmart checkout place, and then the Walmart would deliver that product to that person, and you'll be able to earn a small profit from that sale. And then Walmart will pay you a 8% cashback for buying a product. So basically we're trying to hack the system over here. We're basically buying the product but not buying it directly. We're bypassing it and earning money. So this was the first method. The second method is an affiliate method. So come over to RakutenAdvertising.com, and over here you will see we have to make an affiliate account. So simply over here on affiliate marketing, hover your mouse over it, and then down below you have advertisers and brands, and then agencies. Choose whichever place you want to work at as a affiliate, and let's just click on agencies. And over here you are going to have a partnership on a global scale. So basically what you'll be doing is you'll be partnering up with a agency, and then you will be promoting that agency's product or services online. You'll be basically making a review videos on it, and you don't even have to worry about its length and stuff like that. You just simply have to make a video on it and then just copy paste your affiliate link down in the description, and for every affiliate you get, they will pay you a small commission as well. So that is also a very great way to earn money. So simply click on start now, and over here you will be leveraging our advertising and marketing solution. So over here you have a couple of different options. Select from the following options. So you have leveraging their advertising and marketing solutions, reaching new customers through affiliate marketing, proprietary audiences, and suite of product and services. Or become an affiliate, monetize your digital content by partnering up with top brands around the world. And that is basically it. And then you have a custom contact support if you want to have help from their contact support. So let's just join their affiliate network. Click on join our affiliate network, and over here you will have to enter in all these different details. You have to enter in your company info, your contact and account info, your primary website, and payment threshold as well. And then you will have to read this agreement, basically a contract or an NDA, and then just simply accept to their terms and agreement, and then just simply sign up. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.